a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Osceola County in east-central Florida until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Cloud, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Here you go.
We're going to interrupt our programming at the request of the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Osceola County.
Alligator Lake and Pine Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tropical weather outlook. Issued at 1:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
So it did activate.
At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Cloud, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. The impacts include hail damage to vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof siding and trees. Locations impacted include St. Cloud, East Lake Tahoe, Narcoossee, Alligator Lake, and Pine Grove. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Osceola County until 4:45 p.m. All right, your Z is watching this severe thunderstorm. Our time now is 4:15 p.m.
Well, very, very interesting, Melbourne. Very, very, very interesting.